everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my entryway. Guys, I start a series that I'm changing my home into black, white, silver, a little bit of gold. Guys, it's summer, so I'm going to add a little bit touch of summer or a decor you can use for any occasion, because I don't overdo on anything. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do, but guys, this time of the year I just want to do some black, some white, some silver into my decor and to make my home look extremely beautiful. Guys, as you can see, I have some beautiful pieces in my earrings. For this Mother's Day season, this can be a great gift to your mom and to yourself or anybody that you love. It doesn't have to be for Mother's Day. You can gift it for Christmas or any holiday season, birthday, name it. And guys, I really love how it looked like. I have my bracelet, which is very nice. And I love the charms and everything. Okay guys, this video is in collaboration with GONA Paris that sent me this box of jewelry. Guys, I don't know if I pronounced the name right, but the name will be on the screen so you can see. Guys, with this Mother's Day coming up very soon, so it's a best way to give yourself or your mom or anybody you love a gift like that. As you can see, the card is super cute. It's very nice, and they address it to you, make you feel special. As you can see, my name is very nice. I love it. Okay guys, let me tell you a little bit about GONA Paris. It's a fine jewelry brand known for its convenient design and playful signature charm. And guys, each piece is unique memento for celebrating life, love, family, and every occasion. From commemorating lifelong relationships to celebrating the birth of a child. And guys, every single piece is very beautiful. You can add more charms, or you can choose other colors because they are from silver, gold, rose, blue, purple, any colors that you may like, you will find them there. And guys, this is my bracelet, and that's the one that I chose. But like I said, if you want more charms, you can always order more to add with your piece. And me, that's what I like, so I pick up this one. And I promise you guys, this video doesn't do this beautiful piece justice. As you can see in my arm, very nice, and I love it. And this is my necklace, and it's very pretty. For the price, you can beat that, as you can see, and I really like to dress with it. It's very nice. The link will be in the description box down below if you are looking for something like that. If you're looking for a great Mother's Day gift, this one may be a good option for you. And guys, like I said, check the box down below if you're looking for something like that. Okay guys, this one is my earring, so which is I really love, and as you can see, and guys, you can wear them every day or you can choose to wear them for occasion, and regardless what you choose, it's up to you. Please guys, don't forget to check the description box down below if you are looking for something like this. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Guys, today I'm working on a project. This is my sideboard that I have for 4 years, and I have children and my children mess it up. And I've been making my videos with it, but it was so disturbing because I always have to put things to cover up all those imperfections that the sideboard has, but it just get me aggravated, so I couldn't watch it anymore. So I just said, okay, let me go and do some DIY project. And guys, I'm using this chalk pen. Let me tell you, it's my first time using it. And if you're not familiar with this pen, no, I don't think I want to reuse this pen again, or I just have to learn how to use it because it wasn't easy for me at all. And guys, as you can see, for this corner, I'm going to use this one that I get the vase from TJ Maxx, and the tree from Burlington. and I just want to do a DIY just to put in the front door because I love to put flowers or lantern or anything, but I just need to put some height to make the tree look nice. I wanted a bigger vase, but at TJ Maxx that's the size that I could find that will fit in my door front. But hey, I just take it, but I think it looked perfect with the final result. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you can see how everything turns out. So guys, I had this moss grass from Hobby Lobby, and because I just want it to look so perfect, you know guys, it's summer, and I said to myself, I'm going to use less flowers because you know guys, I'm a flowers lady, so I always use a lot of flowers, but this time I just want to add more greeneries than flowers. Not more, but like balance it. Yes, so I'm putting the moss grass, so just to make it look natural, and I'm telling you, it looks so nice once everything is done. And guys, the vase cost me only $16.99, and the flower, the tree, $29.99. And after I bought the tree and I went to Hobby Lobby, that's the time I found out they have better trees and they were on sale. And guys, if you're looking for some great trees, go to Hobby Lobby because they have a lot of great trees. Because in my following videos, you're gonna see a lot of trees that I bought to put toward my home. But this tree, that's the one I'm going to use in the entryway. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm opening the leaves so to make them look larger. And you know guys, I'm a little bit extra, so I have to add some extraness to my pot to my arrangement. Those are the picks that I have. I already have them home, so I just want to make it look fuller. I don't know, you know, I just want to make it fuller. I don't have no reason for that. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is what I have so far. I really love how it turns out. And guys, this one's my arcade planner, which is I love. And I had a video on how I made it, so if you're looking for some good ideas, I'm going to pin it in my video up there. If you made it this far to this video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. So la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a donné une idée qui j'ai nous décorer nous, ça nous va dépasser un pile cob. Et guys, tout ça nous dans la vidéo, commencer dans fleur, moi faire arrangement pour compte moi parce que moi j'aime save l'argent, c'est ça fait moi apprendre faire un pile bagage pour compte moi et moi penser me partager avec nous qui gens moi décorer caille moi si nous avons besoin de bonne idée pour nous garder soleil. Et c'est pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci un pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo, moi maintenant. What I know now, I would do it all again in a heartbeat. For the final touch, guys, I'm using this rug that I get from Amazon. It got the gold, the gray, the black, and the silver all in one. This is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, guys, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And guys, don't forget to leave me a beautiful comment. I would love to hear from you.
Take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore la salle d'entrée. Et si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un grand plaisir. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Just close your eyes and know beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know.
Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one.